Listen to me carefully. It is not that your rich uncles and rich family members are not helping you, but they are helping total strangers who are not related to them in any ways. It is simply because your face is spiritually covered. You have something covering your face. That is why they are not helping you. But tonight, if you want rich helpers to look at you and want to help you at all costs, then you have to watch this video till the end. And go to the comment and type, "My helpers are located." Welcome back. In this video, we are going to be needing 4 simple ingredients that are available anywhere in every part of the world. 1, we are going to be needing a very clean bowl of water. Number 2, we are going to be needing sugar. Any sugar we do. It can be cube sugar, it can be the granulated sugar. Then number 3, we are going to be needing sea salt or table salt. Then number 4, you are going to be needing a spiritual perfume. The spiritual perfume can be Bint el Sudan, it can be Miss Paris, it can be 6 flowers, it can be divine grace, but make sure it is spiritual perfume or oil. But there is a caveat. You have to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be showing you the order in which you are going to process this ingredient. Failure to do it the way I'm going to be showing you might lead to spiritual problems, might bring other problems that you didn't even bargain for. That is why you have to watch till the end. And at the end, I'm going to be showing you one secret that you need to know for this to work immediately. Now, let's get into it. How do we combine these ingredients? But before we go to that, this particular video is for those who have rich people who can help them, but they are not helping them. Or rich friends who can help them, or rich spouse who can help them, but they are not helping them. Or people who are not getting favor. This particular video is for you. It also works for attraction. You can attract the opposite sex with this. You can also re-energize your relationship. If there is a crack in your relationship, you can re-energize it. Now, let's get into the process. The first thing you have to get is a clean bowl of water, or a clean water in a bowl. A clean water in a bowl. That's what you are going to be getting. Then number 2, you are going to be getting your sugar. You pour the sugar into it. If you are using the cube sugar, I'm going to be showing you that, the image of cube sugar. If you use cube sugar, you are going to be using 6. If you cannot get cube sugar, then you are going to be using 6 spoons of sugar, of granulated sugar. After this, you add your salt, sea salt or table salt, and you are going to be needing 6 spoons of sea salt, 6 spoons of salt, either sea salt or table salt. Then lastly, you now add the spiritual oil. Spiritual oil. You are going to be adding just not everything, maybe just half of the oil. You are using the medium bottle, but if you are using the bigger bottle, just little, just put small into the water. Then you are going to be mixing everything together with your hand. You mix everything together. You can use the middle finger. You mix everything together. Now, what is the spiritual significance of the 6? You know, we said 6 sugar, 6 salt. The 6 there represent favor. In my local parlance, my local language in Africa, it is called Ifa. 6 means Efa, which means favor. Unmerited and merited favor. Favor from every quarter. That's the meaning of 6. So the spiritual significance of 6 is that 6 brings favor. That's why we use 6 spoons, 6 cubes, 6 cubes of sugar, 6 spoons of granulated sugar, and 6 spoons of salt. The spiritual perfume is for attraction. Spiritual perfume is for attraction. It attracts. And you know water itself is it makes all the thing to work perfectly. It's an energizer. So that is the simple way by which you are going to be missing it. Now, if you have watched this far, then you are very lucky, because a lot of people watch halfway and run. But if you do it up to this part, then you have not started. That's just the beginning. You are getting to where it is most important. Now, the next stage is, after mixing it together, you have to place it, go and keep the mixture somewhere safe, and cover it very well. Most of the time, I preach metal bowl. If you cannot get metal bowl, then you can use glass bowl. I don't subscribe to plastic. If you want this to work effectively, use metal bowl or glass bowl. So you cover it and place it somewhere safe. So what are you going to be doing with the mixture? That is where we are going next. You are going to be using the mixture at night before going to bed, preferably between 11 and 12. You are going to be using it to wash your face, and you are washing your face 3 times. Then you cover it again. Now you go to the last part and the most important part. If you wake up in the morning, that means the next day, you are going to get a bottle. The water that you have in the bowl, you get a bottle and you decant this water into the bottle. That means you pour the water in the bowl into the bottle. Then every morning before you go out, you just take some of the water, just pour into your hand, not so many, just little, rub it together and use it to rub your face and your hands. Then you go to your place of work. If it's an assignment you have, you go. If it's a job interview, you go. If you are going to meet an investor, then you go. Or if you are going to meet people who wants to help you, then you can go. Even if you don't have anything doing, you don't have a business that you are doing, use it. Destiny helpers, rich people will locate you and want to help you at all costs. But one other thing that I skipped, I didn't mention, is that when you prepare the water in the first instance in the bowl, when you are mixing it, be saying your intentions. The intention is not really compulsory, but it is necessary. It is necessary. It is not really compulsory, but it is necessary. So if you forget to make your intentions and pray into it, nothing spoils. It doesn't spoil, doesn't invalidate the process. But if you can, just say your intention while mixing everything together. Pray into it. Say your intention, what exactly you want to use it for. And if you have the name of the person that you want help from, maybe your rich uncle, you know the name, mention it into the water. Say it into the water. And whenever you want to use it in the morning, just also say it and you go. This one is immediate. It works immediately. It has been working for others. Definitely it's going to work for you. I used to tell my subscribers that the problem is not with your rich family, your rich relative, or your rich friends. The problem is from you, because you have blockages. And doing this will remove the blockages. And talking about blockages, I made this video that can help you to remove spiritual blockages. It's a cleansing ritual that you can do, or you can be doing, that will remove all blockages that are disturbing you from attracting favor, financial blessings, and progress. I'll link the video here. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to join the Smart Idea family. Like this video, subscribe, and share to your friends, to those who need favor and open doors in their life. Until I see you in my next video, remain blessed.